Hello, good evening, guys. Today we can start up with the part B lab cycle program and Python. That is the sixth activity, uh, like going for TK Inter module. That is based on graphical user interface, where I can develop an event-driven program in graphic, what you call as in Python. I already told you when I spoke about the TK Enter in the theory class. So tkinter is a concept, or it's a component where in which I can develop a graphical user interface application and I can deploy it for an event-driven programming. That is what we can call as a tkinter module. Okay, or tkinter program. Okay, I will start with opening the IDLE. Yes. So the IDLE is open. Now let us open a blank file, which we already did many programs in this. So we executed this database. Okay, fine. So today it's a small program because the sixth activity and the seventh activity I may just finish up today itself. Let us hope so how the things works. So what I'm doing, I'm just going for it. Import tk inter. Okay. TK Inter as TK. I already told you when I did the class for you people, what is an extension of what you call as NumPy? It is NP. Are you getting it? So that is called pandas. It is something like we use like PD, and all this we discussed. Okay, this is what you call as a reference object for TK Inter. That is called as TK. So after that, I will go for def, which is called as a method. Great. Okay, fine. So next I will go for, I'm just declaring a name is equal to entry dot get. So it's a predefined method, so you can just observe that it's a predefined method. And also I will go for a label underscore result. And after that I'm just using something like called as config, and after that I'm just using something like text, okay, is equal to, I'm using format specifier for this f, okay, and after that I'm using hello, and after that it's a string. I'm using something called as name. Okay, it's a flower braces name. It's a flower braces, and after that I'm just using that this operator, and I'm closing it. This is what I'm doing here. This is one point. Second, just I'm using comment for it. Create the main application window, and after that I'm just using called as tool, that is called as TK, that is called as capital TK. It's a method, try to understand, it's a method. And after that I'm just going for root. Yes, I'm using title. So this will display the title window. I'm using what I'm using. I'm using welcome to SDC College. And after that I'm closing this bracket. Yes, done. Root title has been done. Next I will go for create a label. So I'm creating a label. Create a label. Widget is nothing but it is a area where I can create what you call as grids. That is called as widget, we say. Okay, fine. Next, label is equal to yes, label is equal to TK I'm using label, and after that I'm just going for root. What is it? Root is I can call it as a root is a base node. Okay, it's a base node, or it's a base objects where I can bind the what you call as subcomponent. So I'm using root comma text is equal to enter. This is a string actually. Enter your name. That's it. I'm giving some space and I'm just closing it. Right. Next, label dot pack. See, pack is a method which will follow the x and y coordinates, like padding, margin, everything we will give. That is a pack method. Alignments I can call as pad. I'm giving pad x is equal to 100. X and y coordinates I'm telling pad y is equal to 50. Okay, x. Under that I'm just going for create create an entry. Create an entry widget. That's what it's telling, right? Let us see. And after that I'm just using entry